Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the basics. Make sure the charger's voltage and amperage exactly match the hoverboard label because mismatched power can prevent charging or damage cells. Next, inspect the charger cable, plug, and connector for visible cuts, bent pins, or corrosion. A poor connection often looks like a dead charger. Finally, look at the hoverboard's charge port and battery LEDs for alignment or loose coverings. Once done, you'll know whether to continue with internal checks or simply replace the external charger. Now you open the board. Remove the shell screws and carefully lift one side while noting cable routing so you can reassemble correctly. You then use a multimeter to measure the charger output at the plug and the battery pack voltage. This tells you whether power reaches cells and if cells are below safe voltage thresholds. Make sure to test the battery management system connections and balance leads, because a faulty BMS or loose solder joint often stops charging even when batteries are fine. If readings look abnormal, finish by reconnecting all plugs, seating the battery and BMS properly, and tightening the shell screws evenly so pressure doesn't stress connectors. Make sure seals are in place to avoid moisture. Plug in and charge fully while monitoring battery temperature and LED patterns, because heat or unusual blinking means a fault. Allow 2 full charge cycles to let the BMS rebalance cells. If the hoverboard still won't charge, try a known good replacement charger to rule out the adapter. And if that fails, the most common final fix is replacing the BMS or battery pack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.